Thinning the herd. With enough projects going on and being limited on time, money, and space, I decided that a car or two will go up for sale. So I have the two RX-7s, the 300ZX, the Tundra, the Trans Am, the 330Xi, and the Mustang. It won't be the RX-7s. It won't be the 300ZX. It won't be the Tundra. I wouldn't be against selling the Trans Am, but it's not it either. Yes to the 330Xi, yes to the Mustang. So I listed them up for sale as parts cars, and they sold fairly quickly. What was the plans for these cars and why are they the chosen ones? 2006 BMW E90 330Xi. I traded an LQ4 6.0 and an AR-15 for this car. Back when I got the BMW last year, I did have hopes and plans to make it a daily driver or have it as a backup vehicle. I had a wide body kit on it, which I didn't use. It came with the car, some decent 18-inch wheels, a carbon fiber hood that was unpainted, and it had an excellent interior, nice black leather. It was wrapped in blue, which was kind of faded and was peeling, so I ended up going ahead and removing all of that. It used to be all-wheel drive, being the X-Drive. That was converted to rear-wheel drive. The battery was shot, so I put a new one in. Being that it was a 6-speed manual, it could have been a really fun daily driver. I did vision using it as a shop car too, like something to go run out and get some parts from the auto store or the junkyard. I ordered some paint for it and was gonna go black metallic. I even started some body work on it. It was pretty much all functional, ran and drove without a problem. The new owner drove right off in it. This car has been sold. 2002 Ford Mustang GT, the SN95 New Edge. I got this car on a trade for an Xbox Series X a while back. The Mustang has the 2-valve 4.6 liter and a TR 3650 5-speed manual transmission. It sits on coilovers, MB battles, and has straight pipe exhaust. It was once on airbags, but I wasn't into that. My plans for this car would have been to daily drive it once in a while and take it out and autocross once a month. The AutoXStang. I looked ahead. A roll bar and parts for these cars are super cheap. A Coyote or 5.3 swap would be easy as well if I wanted to go that route. The stock 2 valves aren't anything to brag about. These cars do have a nice look to them, and you don't see that many on the road today. Maybe the occasional V6. Perhaps one day I can pick up a roller and build it up. The key was lost and it had to be towed upon selling. But this car is sold. It would have been nice to get these cars in better shape before selling and could have got some use out of them and made some money off of them. Speaking honestly, as of now, I'm possibly busy with projects for the next 5 years, and that's without adding anything else to the list. So these cars would have just sat as some back burners for a long time. That's what they were doing anyways. They were on the bottom of the priority list, so they had to be the ones to go. When I was working on these cars, I felt like that could have been time going towards the RX-7s. The Trans Am took up a lot of time, and I really want to be in an LS swap Mazda right now. And I may be in one sooner than I think. Catch the next one.